This is my video of my reptiles. Start simply here. These are my Colombian rainbow boas. And get them out a little bit. There's the one in there. And the one in the tank there. There's male and female. Really nice as well. Don't bite. Not a problem. In here is a small yellow-bellied turtle. See down the corner there? And in the corner here, big tanks. 2 big tanks. One of them. Try and find him underneath the water bowl. In a second. Young male boa. Still lovely and friendly. He's a nice guy. And below is 2 future women. Got a big 6-foot female and a smaller 5-foot female. Big tank. Down below are the 2 biggest tanks. And here we have 2 tanks, the dog. 2 tanks there. Both conjoined. There's female royal python. Good sized female. Future breeder. And next door, the conjoined hub, is another female. There she is, a bit smaller. And this tank's got a male leopard gecko. Still a bit skittish, but up here in the tub, got a female. A bit slow at the minute, but she's getting there. And we've got another big tank over here. Male and female bearded dragons.